Today we have a 2006 Mazak QUICKTURN NEXUS 100 with a MAZATROL 640T control. It's got a 6-inch chuck, tool setter, parts catcher, tailstock, and a chip conveyor. First we're going to show you the parts catcher. Next, the tool setter. Now the spindle. $500 RPM. That's 1800. 2500. 3300. That's 4000. With the jaws on, you'll hear a lot of the air. Spindle's nice and quiet. Okay. X and Z are nice and quiet. All the tool holders you see mounted go with the machine. Okay, that concludes the video. Thank you.